Igbo Igbo ekene mụ na Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ekene mụ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko na o nwere ozi dị oke mkpa nchọ Igbo, biko n'ododo maka na ị maara ihe ebe a nọ na like working with you guys ka unu gwa m ihe unu chọrọ na nke unu achọ, because ihe njekwere etigo enwe vidio first video ntị ụbọchị ntị vidio na sim na unu achọghọ nwetadebe the video that place. Kịta anụnwakwa ntị enwe vidio ọzọ ntị kwara unu sim na unu alike ọ dị man ka na-etizi na video na channel a and I stopped. Kita biko onwe video ọzọ mfu. Video talks about dream, nlo na the meaning. Amaghị m na ọ bụrụ na unu ya like video this girl ntị kịta. Ọ bụ unu achọghọ, unu agwa m na unu achọghọ. Ka m nwekwa n'ọnwa yo package onwe m n'ọlụ n'ofu ebe, because na you guys are the consumers while me I'm the producer. Unu so na unu achọghọ, there is no need of giving you guys what you don't want. Maka unu onye adịnanje, because ihe nche onye because he had the opportunity to communicate with you guys, knowing fully well na this month workwa month of my birthday. Maka ihe ọbụla m na-eme this month, I really need to work along with you guys. Unu so lokwa m na aghọta ebe okwu anyị na-aga. Video anụnwa dị very good. Anyị na-echa ame ọ dị m mma. Ọ na-ekwu maka nlọ. Maka ndị na-abụ ihe ya abụ afọ ihe na nlọ, enwere m part 2 ya. In case unu like ya, we made the part 2 upload. Ọ bụkwa na unu like ya, I'm happy. It's all about dream and its meaning. Mandi ya halo channel ha manchete. Mandi ya halo no fi hen 1 or 2 tin na lo ha mangota se ya na afu na lo onye nke akowa ya in her own understanding. Maka na the spiritual controls the physical. So you may have other meanings to it, mana onye ọzọ ya ejikwa nke a wee mụta nke na ha amacha ihe niile amacha. Because unu na-ekene ya bụ video kunu fu.
Yeah, greeting. Continuation of dream and its meaning. Like I told you guys in the other of my video, I said I will continue this thing. I'll post the next video. That if you have any dream that you are confused about, I should drop it on the comment section. So when next I'm doing my video, I will explain it. Understand? So a lot of questions, a lot of people dropped their dream on the comment section in the other video that I posted. And I'm here to explain it, because not just one person that is having such dream. A lot of people are having such dream. Let me interpret it. Okay. Yeah, guys, yeah. This is my video. The topic is dreams and its meaning. The dream, when you have a dream and the meaning of that dream and what you're gonna do if it's a good dream and if it's a bad dream, what you have to do so as to not come to pass. Somebody say, why is it that anytime someone wants to tell me something important in the dream, something will wake me up? Yes, you're having near success syndrome. It's sign of near success syndrome. If you're that person that anytime somebody's about to tell you important something, somebody will wake you up. See what you will do. Once you have such a dream, wake up from your dream, wake up from your sleep. Wake up, then pick up alligator pepper. First seed, this is alligator pepper. First seed of alligator pepper. Look at how the seed is. Look at how tiny it is. First seed of alligator pepper. Put it inside your mouth. Make a positive declaration upon your life. That whosoever that is tampering with your blessing, whosoever that doesn't want you to hear a good news, to receive a good news in your life, that's today, we are using alligator pepper to quench every powers of the enemy, to destroy every powers of the enemy against your life. After that, you chew that alligator pepper and splash it out 4 times. Let's go to the next dream. You say, I saw myself half naked in the dream. That is not where, in the dream, that is not wear dress, and also always see my late father in my dream whenever I'm in pains. Yes, your late father is a sign that your ancestors is with you. They always come to rescue you from every problem you have. Your father is with you, though he's dead, but his spirit is still with you. He's your guardian angel. He's always there to protect you. Understand? So this one now, concerning being half naked in the dream. Half naked, being naked is not good. It's not a good dream. But sometimes it's a good dream. It's a sign of deliverance, sign of liberation from your life. Like all things have been taken away from your life, then new things are coming into your life. Sometimes, because it depends on how the event, how it happened in that dream. But normally, being naked in the dream is not a good one. It's not a good dream. Let your chi remove everything that will bring shame in your life or in your family or upon the life of your loved ones. Let's go to the next. Let me interpret the next one. Seeing masquerade in the dream. When you see masquerade in the dream, is two things. About how many things are involved. Number one, when you see masquerade working on their own, or masquerade came to visit you, masquerade comes to visit you without harming you, is sign that agwu is with you. Like a masquerade comes to visit you, is either an agwu Ndi Igbo negi. Let me use Igbo because what I'm trying, agwu Ndi Igbo negi, the spirit or deity from your maternal home is demanding something from you. They are with you, they are protecting you, so therefore they are demanding something from you. Yeah, but agwu Ndi Igbo negi, agwu Ndi Igbo negi na anagi. So you go and see them, you do something for them so that things will happen, things good will happen in your life. Then if you see a masquerade chasing you, masquerade naturally constantly with a cane want to flog you, check very well. Your name have been mentioned in a deity. Check or there is something they did against you and they submitted your name in a deity, and that deity came in the form of masquerade to carry his duty, to do what they sent it to do in your life. That's why you have been shown in the dream where a masquerade is chasing you, is running after you. Are you getting me? It's a sign your chi actually came to showed you that masquerade, showed you that for you to be active spiritually, for you to be alarmed, to start doing something immediately. That's why you saw that thing in your dream. That's why you saw the masquerade chasing you in your dream. Sometimes when your name is being mentioned in a day, the deity will do so many things against you without you knowing. But if you have a strong spirit, your chi is powerful. That's why it will come in your dream. Your chi will show you in your dream. Look at, see what is about to happen. Stand up and do something against it. When you get up from such a dream, put 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Begin to declare positivity upon your life. Anyway, your name is being mentioned. Is this for a bad purpose? Let that bad purpose return back to sender. Every spirit that is against your life, let that spirit turn it back and get out from your life. It will never, every plans of the enemy against your life shall never prevail. He said, yes. Let me check the next one. Okay, catching fish in the dream is a wonderful blessing. You see yourself catching fish in the dream is a very wonderful blessing. It's a good thing. It shows that blessing is coming your way. You're gonna gather enough blessing that you eat and get tired. Like I said, I don't know. Like I told you before in the other video, I said when you see physics, yeah, but sheets, it's not a bad thing. It's a blessing. It's money. It's a sign of money. It's a sign of money. Okay, if you see sheets in the dream, for instance, you see someone packing sheet, tied it in a black nylon, and threw it away. Know that someone is against your prosperity. Know that there is spirit that is against your prosperity, that is tying your blessing, that is tying your money. Understand? So you have to, when you wake up from that dream, you make a declaration upon your life. Don't forget to put your alligator pepper inside your mouth and make a positive declaration. Don't forget to chew it. After chewing it, you splash it out 4 times. Are you getting me? Don't be weak. Stop slumbering. Don't be weak. Stop sleeping. Wake up. Be agile. Build yourself spiritually. A lot of things are happening spiritually. A lot of things are happening in the spiritual world, which we don't know. Because spirits supersede physical. Spirit supersede physical. Whatsoever that is happening physically have already happened in spiritual realm. Before you see someone dying physically, he or she is dead already months ago in the spiritual realm before it came to pass in the physical realm. That is why we need to be agile, because spiritual supersede physical. Be agile, be strong. Always have your alligator pepper. Or anywhere you are going to, always have your alligator pepper. Have it. Understand? Yeah, guys, okay, if you have another dream that you find it. A lot of dream are here. I need to explain. If you have another dream, you don't know the meaning, drop it on the comment section. When next I'm doing a video, I will explain it.
Ekene m Igbo niile ekene ihe na-ejele Igbo ozi biko na unu si na-enecha anya vidio ka mgbe m kwuru nke aka m si wee kwu ya mgbe gara aga sị biko ị na-enecha anya vidio nyere anyị aka sọskraịbụ na dis channel bụ notification gị ka usoro anyị na-enweta notification na-asụ na dis month anyị nọ n'ime ọnwa bụ ka month of my birthday ọ bụ izu ụka ọzọ anyị na-achọ ịba nke ọzọ na-abịa nke ọzọ bụghị nke anyị na-abagara abịa mana Sunday bụ izu ụka ọfụ ọ izu ụka ọzọ na-abịa ka anyị welite nso biko unu like ya vidio a drop your comment na the comment section ọ bụ na m metekwa the part 2 unu eme ka mmalụ maka na nwe mgbọsị ntị vidio asị m na onye a comment m nweta that day ever since that day eti dem mfugoro vidio dị man online ọsọkwa ya akụzi ihe mekuzi ya na mụ na ọsọ maka achọrọ m ihe ya mee ma audience dịka ma anaghị anụ ihe ha na-ekwu ọ ha anaghị m agụ kọmentị ndị mmadụ ana m agụ ya I don't want to be a victim of ignorance a sịkwa na anyị kwukwara ekwu mana ọ da anụ ihe biko dodododo ndolokunu like ya vidio nwaanyị a enwere m ya ọka nkụ I will look into it ghọta ndị dị mma mere emelu unu upload ka unu solokwa na enjoy. Ọ ga-enwe mgbe ọzọ.